welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. So, what are you wearing when you are romanticizing about autumn? Okay, or fall is what we like to call it. So let's get into some of the fragrance that I dream or have heart eyes for the fall season. So first up, Miss Popular, the one that so many people dream about, warm, spicy cognac and everything nice spiciness. I normally wear this over the Thanksgiving season, which we're in. So that is Angel Share. Okay, Killian, that is classic. To me, romanticizing and dreaming and having hard eyes about autumn or fall is what we like to call it. Honey, I just sprayed it. Ooh, sorry. That cinnamon tonka bean, this vanilla, cognac, booziness, it is so good, okay? Just deliciousness in a bottle, and I absolutely have gotten plenty of compliments throughout the season. I normally definitely wear this in the month of November, which we're in, but this is so good, okay? This is uber good, especially during Thanksgiving. You smell food and you smell delicious too. This is such a classic wear for this fall season. I love it, and I have totally heart eyes for it. Next up, another fragrance that has cinnamon, that is warm, spicy, and it has sour cherry in it, okay? That is from Kayali Invite Only. This is so good. This has your tobacco note in it as well. So tobacco, honey, cherry, chocolate, amber oud. This is so good. Oh, it's so good. And like when I think of like hard eyes or romanticizing, this is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful chocolate, sour cherry fragrance with honey. So you have sweetness and warm and spicy and cinnamon in this. This absolutely just is a great representation of fall and romance, and I love it down, okay? So I would highly recommend some Invite Only, okay, to romanticize. Get it. And chocolate, did I say chocolate? Yeah, that's what I said too. What you said in your head is exactly what I just said. Moving on. Next up, another honey apple blossom fragrance that is so luxury, so delectable, delightful. It has muskiness as well. And that is, I already took the bottle cap off, sorry. That is Initio, and this is Addictive Vibrations. Listen, you talk about love and romanticizing and being addicted and love and heart eyes for the fall season. This is it. This is it. And you do not need to spray heavy. Sometimes I feel like when I spray real heavy, I get headaches with this fragrance. You don't need to spray heavy. It does the work for you. It's one of those that you don't have to do the most because it is doing the most, okay? It is so good. Such a great apple blossom honey fragrance. And I think sometimes with the honey notes, for me, it gets a little heady a little bit in my life, but when you just spray and be done and don't do all of this, it's a great night. It's a great day. It is love all over the place, and it just reminds me of fall, and just, it's beautiful. Okay, it's luxury, beautiful. If you love those notes, if you like a good honey fragrance, this is one that you want to get your nose on. It's beautiful. I would absolutely recommend, okay, for you to get addicted to Addictive Vibration, okay? So good. Absolutely would recommend to even male or female. So cousins, brothers, anybody, this is a good one for you. Next up, a rose fragrance that has some fruity notes in it. It is absolutely popular as well, but I love it. Like romance, it's sweet, it's fresh, but it's amazing. And that is Haley from Tatiana Terenzi. Yes, and yes, this beautiful passion fruity rose fragrance. And again, it has that freshness in the background. You talk about falling in love. Like, your eyes roll in the back of your head is what it is. It's so good. Highly would recommend that you get Haley from Tatiana Terenzi. Amazing. If you are a fruity girl lover, like a fruity notes, like fruity floral, that type of lover, you need this for the fall season. This is a great, impactful, fruity floral fragrance. Yeah, in the cold season. This is one to absolutely get. It is fresh too. So it's not too like summery where you're like, oh gosh, like this is just too much. It definitely has an impact. Like, trust me, it still gives this little undertone of spice, but that freshness just makes it like, it's so good. It's so good to wear for the fall season. Highly would recommend. Those that know, okay? And so that spice, that cinnamon that's in this, that's why I feel like it's definitely for the fall. Like that musk that's in it, it's the freshness. But the cinnamon spice that's in this, it's not too like harsh where you can enjoy it in the season. You don't have to do the most in sprays as well with this, okay? She's in itself, she's a diva, okay? She's a diva in her own right. So, but if you want to spray, you can overspray. You can overspray. That passion fruit, I love a good passion fruit. You all know how I am. I love a good passion fruit fragrance, but that is such a great, impactful fragrance for this fall season. And last, but certainly not least, we have a floral fragrance. There's carnation in this. There's also sandalwood. You have some coffee in this as well. You have caramel. Yeah, I'm talking about New York Nights. Okay, now this one, baby. This is your floral sandalwood. So floral woody, soft wood, but it has spice in it. It has depth, and absolutely it has coffee in it when you get to that base. But it's so good. And the caramel is needed, okay? I think without the caramel, this would just be another floral fragrance, right? But that caramel, the coffee, just spices it up. It's so good, okay? I enjoy this. This is absolutely one that I have heart eyes for in this fall season. And Romanticizing, yeah, New York Nights. I mean, come on. The whole night, yeah, you know what this is for. You know who this is for. Myself. No, this is so good. Highly would recommend. So if you have a date night, if you want to get to know so you can have a date night, this is one to absolutely put in your wardrobe. This is so good. Chef's kiss. Highly recommend. Well, that's all, family, for my what to wear when you're romanticizing autumn, okay? Or fall, again, is what we call it, all right? What are some fragrances that you romanticize during the season about or you love to wear and it just gives you hard eyes, okay? When I think of hard eyes, it's like the cartoon of hard eyes, like Bugs Bunny used to do.
I kind of think that I'm so cute and
so cute, okay? So what are some fragrances that you enjoy and get the hard eyes for? Comment down below. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the content, of course, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you're more than enough, yeah, tell them. Yo, sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.